Hello, everyone. It is that time of the week again. Today is the news for Friday, February 7th, 2020. All sorts of fantastic stuff happening in the world of Bitcoin Cash again. Back again, Daniel.
Back again.
Daniel
Back for another
Kelman.
week.
Yeah, back for another week. So the most fun thing on the news that's at the top of our list, Bitcoin.com has launched our new wallet with lightning fast transactions. It's amazing how fast it is. You used it? What do you think?
I've used it. It's really fast, and there's a really interesting feature where you can set for InstantPay, right? You just scan it, and the payment goes
instantly.
Instantly.
Right? Like
you don't have to slide the bar. You don't have to do anything. Scan it, and it's gone.
It's like faster than NFC. Like if you used Apple Pay, our new wallet's faster than Apple Pay. It's absolutely incredible. So make sure you try that out. Other fun stuff. Now you have SLP tokens available right there in the wallet. You can buy Bitcoin Cash right there from within the wallet with your credit card. There's links to all sorts of fantastic services like Purse.io. What else do we have in there? Local.bitcoin.com. You travel. You can buy your plane tickets. You can buy your hotels. You can buy anything you want with it. It's super, super convenient. So check it out.
Gemini opens Bitcoin Cash trading to millions of investors through a partnership with TradeView.
I think it's TradingView. It's a social network built specifically for traders and investors. Users with TradingView accounts and Gemini exchange accounts will be able to trade several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin Cash, right from inside TradingView itself. In other fun news now, BitPay is accepting Bitcoin Cash from any wallet or cryptocurrency exchange. They used to use BIP70 for all their invoices, which guaranteed the right amount would be paid all the time. Now any wallet can pay directly. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, because a lot of these wallets were deducting the fees and having issues, and so that's for BitPay to decide, I suppose. But anyhow, it seems like to be big news for BitPay there.
They may have to increase the fee if it's going to end up in them getting shorted on fees now and then.
Maybe. Well, there's only one chain that has really intentionally high fees all the time.
That's true.
So, but we don't use that one at Bitcoin.com much anymore. So another fun piece of adoption in actual merchants. GoCrypto.com has hit a milestone of over 900 physical merchant locations. That's one of the companies that Bitcoin.com just invested in recently, all across Europe, including Slovenia, Croatia, Hungary, Switzerland, Portugal, Bulgaria, the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Romania, the United Kingdom, and more to come. You can pay it like literally hundreds and soon to be thousands of locations with your Bitcoin Cash wallet and your Bitcoin.com, thanks to the guys over at GoCrypto. They're doing such a fantastic job over there. Merchants that are interested in accepting payments via Bitcoin Cash can go over to GoCrypto.com to learn more about that.
Bitcoin Cash Latin America, or LATAM 2020, it's launching a crowdfunding campaign project. So BCH LATAM plans to grow Bitcoin Cash awareness and use in Latin America through a bowling pin strategy of merchant adoption, remittances, B2B buying, international trade, and more. The plan is to eventually make Bitcoin Cash the international currency of Latin America.
I don't know why the Latin American Dash community guys decide to switch everything over to Bitcoin Cash. I think it's because Bitcoin Cash has a bigger network effect. Dash is awesome, right? It's digital cash. That's what Bitcoin Cash is, but Bitcoin Cash has a much bigger network effect, and so I think that just makes it more and more useful.
And especially in Venezuela, where the local currencies experienced really, really high inflation, and there are a lot of Bitcoin Cash fans and Bitcoin Cash miners there, and taking advantage of cheap electricity. So Latin America could be a good launching point for all of this.
In fact, we're seeing more and more traction on local.bitcoin.com there as well. Oh, in other news, it's not in the show notes, but I just had another chat with Cedric Dahl yesterday that'll be on this YouTube channel shortly, talking about darknet markets and how that shows the future of cryptocurrencies and where things are headed. Bitcoin Cash is the only cryptocurrency to have ever been adopted on darknet markets in the last several years. All the other currencies that are accepted on darknet markets have been around for years and years and years. Bitcoin Cash is the only one that recently was added to darknet markets, and we're seeing more and more traction. In fact, I was looking at the charts for it. Pretty soon, Bitcoin Cash is going to surpass the next most used currency on the darknet market. And so I think it's going to get more and more traction when people realize that you have things like Cash Shuffle and Cash Fusion for incredibly strong privacy on Bitcoin Cash, but you still have it. It's way more, like I like Monero. I have a bunch of Monero. Bitcoin Cash is way easier to use than Monero. When you combine Bitcoin Cash with things like Cash Fusion, Bitcoin Cash has similar ballpark of privacy with Monero if you have enough people shuffling their coins on top of Bitcoin Cash, but it's way easier to use than Monero. So I think we're going to see Bitcoin Cash is probably going to wind up being one of the top used cryptocurrency coins on the darknet markets. I learned another thing new today. There's the Silk Road 3.1.
That's right.
So there's the original Silk Road. You should go ahead over to freeross.org and sign the petition to let that guy out of prison. There was a Silk Road 2.0 that didn't last very long. I don't know anything about Silk Road 3.0, but I saw today there's a Silk Road 3.1. So I haven't been on the website. I just saw that it was listed on the list of the darknet markets with a bunch of interesting stats about that from another website. We'll put with a link in the description. With what was it, group 1000x.group, I think is their website.
Yeah,
you can pay
so.
to get access to all these interesting stats. Anyhow, look for the video that I did with Cedric Dahl, and that will be on this channel very, very shortly. So don't miss that one. It was a really interesting conversation where I learned a lot of things that I didn't know that was going on in the darknet market there. So I think that's where we got to wrap it up this week. But you had one more thing you wanted to add?
For anyone who's old enough to remember, been around long enough to remember, darknet markets were like the first real use case for Bitcoin. So it's really important. And if there's anyone out there who's a darknet market operator, take a look at Bitcoin Cash.
Yeah. And I hear there's going to be some news stories covering it on news.bitcoin.com. So make sure you stay tuned over there. What was the name of the site that was using it?
Apollonia?
Yeah, I feel bad. I don't remember. But we'll put a link to that in the description below. It's some Greek god name. So Apollon something.
I can't pronounce it. It starts Apollon.
Yeah,
something like
Apollon. Apollon. Right? There we go. So Apollon. That's it. And stay tuned for the next video. Share this video with a friend. Help us spread more economic freedom to the world. People should be allowed to buy or sell anything that's peaceful, but not things that are stolen or cheating other people. So keep that in mind when looking at the darknet market. See you next week.